Hi, everybody. Welcome. My name's Joy, and I'm a yoga teacher and a meditation teacher. And this is a 5-minute beginner friendly winter meditation with winter quotes and affirmations to help celebrate this new season. Find a safe place to sit comfortably with a tall spine, and a tall spine allows you to breathe easily. Close your eyes or soften your gaze and feel the support of the ground underneath you. Soften the muscles of your shoulders, let go. Soften the neck and the face, and breathe easily. Winter is a time to let go of what's no longer serving you. It's a time to nurture your mind, body, and spirit, and rest assured that the days are getting longer and longer now. Now I will read 3 winter quotes by various poets. But if these words do not resonate with you, feel free to just let them go and to drift away. Let's get started. English poet William Blake said, "In seed time learn, in harvest teach, in winter enjoy." In seed time learn, in harvest teach, in winter enjoy. Italian poet Pietro Aretino said, "Let us love winter, for it is the spring of genius." Let us love winter, for it is the spring of genius. Persian poet Rumi says, "All is known in the sacredness of silence." All is known in the sacredness of silence. Now I'll say 3 winter affirmations that you can repeat to yourself. I'll give a little time in between each one as well. The stillness of winter keeps me grounded and at peace. The stillness of winter keeps me grounded and at peace. As nature rests in winter, my mind, body, and soul restore. As nature rests in winter, my mind, body, and soul restore. Every day gets lighter, and I welcome new beginnings. Every day gets lighter, and I welcome new beginnings. Take a nice deep breath in, exhale out, and gently come back into your body and into your surroundings. Feel free to wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, you can gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this meditation, and feel free to come back to it as many times as you wish this winter. I hope you have a wonderful winter season, and until next time, take care.